Hi everyone, I have a new guest today. And this is my dog Freckles. Isn't she adorable? She is a Chihuahua. She's still a puppy. Her name is Freckles because right here where her chest is, on the bottom of her neck, you see freckles. You see the little dots? That's why she has like these freckles. She's a nice puppy. By the way, this is IceyImperia. Probably gonna make a video of me later. But that's my dog. She's nice. She won't bite. She's a good dog. I got her from my friend, well, my ex-friend Elizabeth. But she's good. She's kind of chubby. Come here. She's fat. See, she bites a lot. She likes to scratch. We put her in her basket because she pees a lot. Yeah, but her ears are so cute. And here's a picture of the dog who looks like her. That dog looks like my dog. And then these things right here, those two things are my birds. We cover them, they look like this. Well, that's Rocky. I'm not gonna uncover him, he gets kind of pretty pissed. But yeah, Freckles just wants to say hi. She's doing good. Aren't you, Freckles? Love you, Freckles. Say bye. Say bye. There goes a bye-bye for you guys. Well, she's got to go night-night anyways. Well, bye, guys. She's so cute. I'm sorry, I don't want her to get off the camera. Okay, guys. Bye.